we can also use compound conditions in if statements. And compound conditions use the Boolean operators and, or not. If you remember these from JavaScript, this was and, this was or, this was not. In Python, we simply type out the word and or not. Okay, so to illustrate this a little more, let's say I'm making hamburgers because I'm gonna cook hamburgers for supper tonight. And I'm gonna say, do I have mustard? I do. I do have some mustard. Do I have pickles? Nope, don't have any pickles. That's false. Let's see, do I have some lettuce? Let's say that's true. Okay? So now with these, basically what I've done here is just create a variable and give them a Boolean value, either a true or false, which essentially is what's happening with a test condition. A test condition is equating to either true or false. So looking at these and or not operators, I could say, do I have mustard and pickles? No, I don't have mustard and pickles. Okay, so why is that false? With an and statement, both sides have to be true for the whole statement to be true. If I said, do I have mustard and lettuce? I do have both of those, so that would equate to true. Okay? What if I said, do I have mustard or pickles? If I have mustard or pickles, that is true because I do have one of those two. I don't have to have both of those for that to be true. What happens, do I have mustard or lettuce? Both of those are true, so the whole statement is true. If you remember, we did a truth table, and if you want to take a look at that on page 83, that's essentially what I'm doing here. We are looking at what happens if you have a true or false value on one side of the Boolean operator and a true or false value on the other side. What if I said, do you not have mustard? False, because I do have mustard. Okay. Do you not have lettuce? False, I do have lettuce. Do you not have pickles? True, I don't have pickles. Okay, so hopefully that helps you understand those comparison and or not a little better. So let's open up a new file and test this out. Let's create a new script file. Let's save it as day in your Google Drive folder, day.py. And let's use a comparison operator to find out what day of the week it is. So let's ask the user, hey, what day is it? Let's put a space there. Okay, so we want to say if today is Saturday or Sunday, then it's the weekend. If it's any other day of the week, then it's a weekday. Okay, so essentially that's what we want this program to do. So to create a compound test condition, you have two test conditions, and in the middle you have one of those operators, either and or not. So let's say if day is exactly equal Saturday, and then you use your Boolean operator, okay? Or could I do this? Would that work? No, it would not work. I have to have a full test condition, okay? So on each side, you have to have a full test condition. So I do if day is exactly equal Saturday or day exactly equal Sunday, then I can print it's the weekend. Okay? But else, if it's any other day, then we're going to print it's a weekday. Boo, weekdays. Okay? Let's save this. Press F5 to run. What day is it? Let's say it's Saturday. Then yes, it's the weekend. Let's test it with another input. Let's say it's Monday because Mondays are the worst. And it says it's a weekday. Okay, so hopefully that gives you a refresher on these comparison operators. The important thing is to remember they have to be full test conditions on each side of the and or not.